Hello and good day. My name is TOH TCHEN and I will be presenting my project that titled Crypto Analytics Dashboard. To begin with, this project is a web-based cryptocurrency monitoring and portfolio management system that developed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Furthermore, the system used the CoinGecko API to retrieve cryptocurrency market data and provide users with the tools to monitor prices, analyze trends, predict future price, and manage their investment portfolio. The main objective of this project is to provide cryptocurrency investors with a very simple and interactive platform for monitoring market performance and making a better investment decision. In addition, the system not only support real-time data monitoring but also include price prediction, moving average analysis, chart annotation, and portfolio tracking functionality. Now, I will demonstrate the user interface and navigation of the system. Firstly, at the top of application is the main dashboard header, which displays the title Crypto Analytics Dashboard together with the short project description. Next, below the header is the search section. Here, users can enter the name of a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, and other cryptocurrency. In addition, they can choose the desired historical data range, including 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or 1 year. After entering a coin name and selecting the time range, users can then tick the search button to retrieve market information. Moving on, the next section is the dashboard summary section. This section contains 3 information cards. Firstly is the current price display, the latest market price of the selected cryptocurrency. Secondly, the predicted price card display an estimated future price generated using a linear prediction of algorithm. Lastly, the latest move card displays the percentage change in price within the selected period. And then below the summary cards is the interactive chart section. Here, the chart visualizes historical cryptocurrency price data together with a moving average indicator. Moreover, above the chart are annotation control buttons that allow users to interact directly with the chart and record important trading observation. So the first button is buy signal. This button enables users to place a buy marker on the selected point of the chart. It is useful for identifying potential entry points where the user believes purchasing the cryptocurrency would be beneficial. The marker is displayed visually on the chart, making it easier to review trading decision later. And the second button is sell signal. This button allows users to place a sell marker on the chart. It is commonly used to indicate potential exit point for or area where the user believes it may be appropriate to sell an asset. The marker helps users track and analyze the trading strategy over time. The third button is Add Note button. This button allows users to create custom text annotation on the chart. Users can enter comments, observation, market news, or personal analysis related to a specific price point. And this note provides additional context when reviewing historical price movement. And the fourth one is Undo Last button. This button removes the most recently added annotation, whether it is a buy signal, sell signal, or custom note. It provides a quick way to correct mistake without affecting other annotation already placed on the chart. And then lastly is a Clear All Notes button. This button removes all annotation currently displayed on the chart, including buy signal, sell signal, and custom notes. Before deleting everything, the system displays a confirmation message to prevent accidental removal of important information. So, these buttons allow users to interact directly with the chart and record trading observation. Finally, at the bottom of the application is the portfolio management system. In this section, users can enter a coin name, quantity owned, and purchase price. Subsequently, the system stores the information locally and automatically calculates investment profit or loss based on the latest market price. And then, I will demonstrate the main functionality of the application. To begin with, I entered a Bitcoin into the search box and then click search. Okay, then once the search button is clicked, the system sends a request to the CoinGecko API and then retrieve historical market data. As a result, the chart updates automatically and displays the selected cryptocurrency price history. At the same time, the dashboard cards update to show the latest price, predicted price, and then the percentage price movement. Therefore, the users can quickly monitor price performance. And feature 2, historical price analysis. Moving on to the second feature, the main chart displays historical cryptocurrency prices using an interactive line chart. Additionally, users can switch between different time ranges such as 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, and 1 year. So as a result, users are able to analyze both short-term and long-term market behavior. And then the feature 3, moving average indicator. The red line displayed on the chart represents the moving average indicator. Specifically, this indicator calculates using a custom JavaScript function that averages the recent price value. As a result, the moving average helps reduce market noise and then allow users to identify overall trends more clearly. Okay, now let us look at the price prediction feature. The predicted price card displays a future price estimation. This value is generated using a simple linear regression algorithm developed in the JavaScript. Although it is a basic prediction model, it nevertheless demonstrates how historical data can be used to estimate future price movement. Furthermore, the chart annotation system allows users to record observation directly on the chart. For example, when the buy signal button is selected, a user can place a buy marker on the chart. Similarly, when the sell signal button is selected, user can place a sell marker. Meanwhile, the Add Note button allows users to enter custom comments that can be displayed on the chart. So overall, this feature helps users to record trading opportunity and personal observation while analyzing market trends. Feature 6, annotation management. In addition to that, the system also provides annotation management tools to improve usability. Firstly, the Undo Last button removed the most recently added annotation. Secondly, the Clear All button removes all annotation from the chart. So before clearing all annotation, the system will display a confirmation dialog to prevent accidental deletion. And the last one is the Portfolio Manager. This Portfolio Manager, it allows users to track their cryptocurrency investment. To demonstrate this feature, okay, I enter a coin name, quantity, and price and purchase price. And then after that, I click Add Asset, and the asset is added to the portfolio table. Subsequently, the system automatically retrieves the current market price and calculates the profit and loss value. As a result, users can monitor investment performance directly from the dashboard. Okay, now I will move on to the first self-code probing demonstration. For this demonstration, I will show a feature that I personally add to the application. Initially, the chart only displays cryptocurrency prices and moving average data. However, to enhance interactivity, I implemented a chart annotation system. Specifically, I added 3 new buttons: Buy Signal, Sell Signal, and Add Note. After that, I created an event listener to detect user interaction and develop a custom chart plugin that dynamically renders annotation onto the chart. As a result, users can now place buy and sell markers, as well as custom nodes directly onto the graph. Therefore, this enhanced enhancement improves the chart usability and allows users to record important trading information visually. Next, I'll present the second self-code probing demonstration. For this enhancement, I added annotation management functionality. After creating multiple annotation, user may wish to remove individual marker or clear all annotation. Therefore, to support this requirement, I add two additional buttons. So it is called undo last, clear all notes button. Firstly, the undo last button removes the most recently added annotation from the chart. Meanwhile, the clear all notes button removes all annotations simultaneously. So furthermore, to prevent accidental data loss, I also implemented a confirmation dialog before deleting all the confirmation. Overall, this demonstrates my ability to extend the application with additional functionality using JavaScript, event handling, and custom chart logic. In conclusion, the Crypto Analytics dashboard successfully provides users with a platform for monitoring cryptocurrency prices, analyzing market trends, predicting future price, and managing investment portfolio. Moreover, the system integrates real-time market data, moving average analysis, prediction algorithm, chart annotation tools, and portfolio management feature within a single user-friendly interface. The most importantly, throughout the development process, I enhanced the system by implementing interactive chart annotation and annotation management feature. Finally, I would like to discuss several improvements that can be implemented in future versions of the project. Firstly, I wish that candlestick chart can be added to provide more professional financial analysis. Secondly, I also wish that additional technical indicators such as RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands can be incorporated. Thirdly, I also wish user authentication and cloud-based integration can be implemented so that the portfolio information can be synchronized across multiple devices. And lastly, I hope that in one day, I can implement it and use more advanced machine learning algorithm to improve prediction accuracy. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you for your listening.